Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for all things innovative and exciting in the world of culinary delights. Today, we're diving into the realm of dairy-free indulgence with a product that's causing quite a stir in kitchens around the globe. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the best dairy-free cream cheese alternative out there. Introducing Farmer Foodie's Golden Chedda, a vegan dairy-free cashew parmesan cheese alternative that's taking the market by storm. Crafted with care and packed with flavor, this Golden Chedda is not just a cheese substitute. It's a culinary revelation. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this dairy-free delight apart from the rest? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it's made from wholesome cashews, ensuring a creamy texture that's on par with traditional Parmesan. Plus, it's infused with tantalizing Italian herbs, elevating every dish it touches to gourmet status. Whether you're sprinkling it over a piping hot bowl of pasta, layering it onto a gooey vegan pizza, or incorporating it into your favorite recipes, the versatility of Golden Chedda knows no bounds. Say goodbye to bland meals and hello to a world of bold, dairy-free flavor. And here's the best part. It comes in a convenient 3.2-ounce jar with a pour and sprinkle cap, making it a breeze to use in any culinary masterpiece. No more messy grating or uneven sprinkling, just pure, cheesy goodness in every shake. But wait, there's more. Not only is Golden Chedda a taste sensation, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Completely gluten-free and vegan-friendly, it's the perfect choice for those with dietary restrictions or anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle. And let's talk about those customer reviews. With an impressive 4.5-star rating and rave testimonials pouring in, it's clear that Golden Chedda is winning hearts and taste buds everywhere. From enhancing the flavor of pasta dishes to being the go-to cheese substitute in cooking, the consensus is clear. Once you try Golden Chedda, there's no turning back. So, whether you're a seasoned vegan chef or just dipping your toes into the world of dairy-free dining, Farmer Foodie's Golden Chedda is a must-have addition to your pantry. Elevate your meals, satisfy your cravings, and embark on a culinary journey like never before with the best dairy-free cream cheese organic available in the market. That's a wrap for today's product critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering reviews, and as always, happy cooking!